What if you could have a fully working, AI-powered WordPress website with real content, your branding, and all the right pages set up in under 2 minutes? No coding, no page-by-page building, no stock photo hunting. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using the Plus add-ons for Elementor and WdesignKit, completely free. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and make sure Elementor is installed and activated. Now from here, go to Add Plugins, search for the Plus add-ons for Elementor, and once it shows up, install and activate the free version. Now let's jump into the Plus add-ons dashboard. So here on the dashboard, you'll see two options: import ready-made websites and use Elementor widgets. We're going to go with import ready-made websites right now. And as soon as you click that, it starts setting things up automatically, and it's redirecting us to WdesignKit. So real quick, WdesignKit is basically a WordPress design toolkit. It gives you ready-made UI components, templates, and design resources so you can build websites way faster. I'll drop the link in the description if you want to explore it more. Now make sure you're logged in here. Once you are, you'll see a bunch of filters. These help you find templates quickly. Let me enable the AI compatible toggle here. Now from the free Pro filter, I'm going with free. Under template type, I'll select page kits and then filter by plugins as well. Let's see what comes up. Nice, so based on these filters, we've got some really clean looking templates. I like this one. Let me hit the download button. All right, so now it's asking for some basic business details. Let me fill this in quickly. All the details we filled in have been automatically applied across the entire website, so there's no need to manually go through each page to update the phone number, address, or any other information. The AI takes care of it all in one go. Now our logo is white, and so is the background here, so it might not be very visible at this point, but once it's placed on the site, it looks great. Then we'll move on to adding the address, email, and phone number. And to finish off, we'll add our social media links. There are multiple social medias available, but for now, we'll just add 2, Facebook and Instagram. Done, click Next. Now we're on the typography and colors section, which is really important from a branding perspective. Here you'll find a ready-made list of the best font families to choose from, or you can manually select your primary and secondary fonts separately. I'm keeping this one for now. Moving on to colors, there are some beautiful pre-paired color combinations ready to go. Just pick the one that fits your brand best. You'll also notice a light and dark mode option here, which is a fantastic addition. We'll keep it on default for now. Let's click Next. Next up is the features selection, basically, what you want on your site. These options are really powerful and helpful. For example, if you want to set up a store, simply enabling the e-commerce toggle will automatically handle the entire WooCommerce setup for you. For now, I'll enable dynamic content, performance, security, and extras. These 4 together give you a solid, high performance, and secure foundation. And you'll notice Nexter theme is listed here. That's the recommended theme for this. It's ultra lightweight and really high performance, so keep that selected. Before we move ahead, a quick reminder. If your site already has existing content, make sure you take a backup before importing. This process will override your current settings, so it's always better to be safe. Check the box and click Next. Now for content and media, you have 2 options: import dummy content or smart AI content. We're going with smart AI content. Here you'll see 2 options: generate AI blog posts and import as wireframe. For now, let's enable AI blog posts, then hit Next. Here you'll give a quick intro about your website. You can select your language, your industry type, and write a short description. You can even use the AI to generate the description for you. Pretty handy. Fill that in and click Next. Now from here we can select images for our entire website. We've got a few options: stock images, Lummi images, or we can upload our own. There's also a tab that shows our selected images as we go. Just make sure we pick enough images so the AI can replace all existing ones across the site without missing anything. Let me pick a few from Lummi images here. All right, clicking Import now. And watch this, it's smoothly going through everything, installing required plugins, setting up the theme, creating pages, importing site content, all automatically. This does take a few minutes, so just be patient and let it do its thing. If anything shows up as missing, just hit Retry Missing Options. That usually sorts it out. And perfect. Site imported successfully. Everything's ready to go. And just like that, our entire website is ready. Perfectly aligned with our branding, and each section automatically filled with relevant content based on the description we provided. Now you can start customizing. Now if you want to properly learn how to edit every section and design your pages step by step, I've already covered that in a full website tutorial. Link is in the description. You can check that out. But for now, let me quickly show you. I'm going to swap out the hero section background image. All sections are completely editable. The logo is part of the header. Nexter theme separately creates common templates like headers and footers and attaches them to all available pages. To edit, go to Nexter, then Theme Builder, where you'll find the list of common templates. To adjust the logo size, click Edit with Elementor on the header. Any changes made here will apply across every page. And make the logo a little bigger. There we go. And that's your full website live, branded, and AI powered in just a few minutes. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. See you in the next one.